Registering your business in the UK has its perks, and here are 5 of them. Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Nwaezeedavid, and in this video I would like to talk about the advantages of registering your business in the UK. You see, so many people do not know these advantages I'm about to mention right now. So many people, especially international businesses, do not know that they can actually register their business in the UK from the comfort of their home, no matter where they are in the world. Companies such as Icon Offices let you register a business in the UK from the comfort of your home with affordable, reliable and scalable business solutions. Now, they have these amazing customer services, and that is one of the things I love about them. This is perfect for businesses aiming to expand or enhance their professional image in the UK. Now, when you register a business in the UK using Icon Offices, you will receive so many incentives such as a free business bank account with cash bonuses. You also get a free 12-month test card app subscription, which is worth over £95. You also get a free UK domain for your business. Now, over 100,000 companies have registered a business in the UK using Icon Offices, and they are all happy with the services they got. You can verify that with the link in the description of this video as well. Generally speaking, registering a business in the UK is really fast, but Icon Offices make it even faster by delivering within 24 hours. Their £44 all-inclusive company formation package includes the company house registration fee, making Icon Offices one of the most affordable agencies to register a business in the UK with. Now, while most international businesses struggle to get a good business address for their businesses, Icon Offices offer its clients 6 prestigious UK addresses to choose from. Now, they own all these buildings, thereby giving them the ability to offer an unmatched reliability and flexibility when it comes to business addresses. To register your business in the UK, simply visit www.iconoffices.co.uk. I'm going to leave a link in the description of this video. Select the registration package you want and complete your registration. And when you get to the checkout page, you can use the discount code in the description of this video to get a 10% discount. Now, the first advantage I would like to mention is the fact that you can open Stripe account, PayPal account, and all the necessary accounts that your business needs to succeed online in this age and time. That's to the fact that your business is registered in the UK. Number 2, you can hire skilled workers in the UK. This is something that registered businesses have access to that others don't. They can use softwares like QuickBooks, Deal, Gusto, etc. to organize your payroll and hiring process. Now, I'm going to leave a link in the description of this video to all these software, so do well to check them out later. Number 3 is investment and funding. Now, this is very crucial to every business. As a registered business in the UK, you can easily secure funding for your business. There are so many investors looking for smart businesses like yours to invest in, but of course, nobody is going to invest in your business if it's not legally registered. So make sure to register a business. This is one of the advantages. Number 4 is elevated brand visibility and credibility. Now, having your business registered is a positive sign to the world that you are ready to be trusted as a business. Yes, there are so many other things you need to do to earn people's trust, but this is the first step in the right direction. Number 5 is strong business infrastructure. Now, registering a business in the UK can fuel your business growth, from gaining access to international markets to benefiting from skilled workforce. Now, companies that are based in the UK can reach over 500 million consumers from Europe alone, now making it a lucrative launching point for new businesses. So there you have it, the advantages of registering your business in the UK. This is just 5 that I mentioned. There are many of them, but like I mentioned earlier, you can register a business in the UK from the comfort of your home, no matter where you are in the world. In order to learn step by step how to do that, watch my other videos on how to register a business in the UK. You can check over here to see those videos right now, and I'll see you in the next video.